Hi, my name is Heidi Frelick, and today I will be discussing the reintroduction of the extinct Baji river dolphin. First, let's talk about the description of the species. The Baji river dolphin has a streamlined body for easy swimming without use of excess energy, a long snout which is turned upward at the end, much like a beak, tiny eyes sitting higher on the head than other species due to the lack of need for the eyes in muddy waters, round flippers, and has a low triangular dorsal fin. It communicates through clicks and whistles like most dolphins. This species was extinct in 2007 and is mostly found around sandbars with large eddies where fish are more plentiful. There is little evidence of this species having an aggressive nature, and they can be up to 8 feet long and 500 pounds heavy. Their habitat resides in the fresh waters of the Yangtze River in China, and their most common ancestor is the Chinese white dolphin, which lives in a marine environment and therefore has larger eyes and a shorter snout. Finally, their diet mostly consists of different types of small fish such as shrimp. Next, let's discuss how it is important to the ecosystem. Some causes of extinction were due to heavy commercial fishing, hydroelectric dams being built along the Yangtze River, such as the Three Gorges Dam, industrialization, and heavy transportation needs. The Baji river dolphin was the top predator in its ecosystem and what is called the indicator species. Its presence was a good indicator of a balanced ecosystem that includes greater biodiversity. With their absence, smaller fish have been overpopulating the river, and there has been a lessened biodiversity. Now, let's talk about the genetic information that is shared between the two species. Dolphins have 22 homologous pairs of chromosomes, which means they have a total of 44 in-somatic cells. When comparing the DNA sequence commonalities between the Baji river dolphin and its common ancestor, the Chinese white dolphin, there are two major phenotypical differences. The river dolphin has tiny eyes and a long snout, whereas the white dolphin has large eyes and a shorter snout. According to Nature magazine, the two species' DNA only differs by 0.62% in a gene loci. However, this slight difference is enough to create some physical variation. Now is the biotechnical process required to resurrect this species. It will be possible to clone the Baji river dolphin. Cloning involves taking eggs out of a surrogate mother, which should be its closest relative, and removing the DNA from the cells of the Baji and inserting the DNA into the cell of the white dolphin. With chemicals and electricity, a clone may be produced. The problem is, a cetacean has never been cloned before. There is muscle tissue of the Baji stored at the NN University in China to accomplish this. My second last discussion is on the implications of reintroducing this species to the environment. First is the environmental implications. Baji river dolphins once sat at the top of the food pyramid. However, if we reintroduce them, bioinvasion might occur. This means that they would have no predators and their population would swell, causing imbalance in the food pyramid and imbalance in the ecosystem. Second is economic and social implications. There would be a benefit to the Chinese citizens living along the Yangtze if the Baji was reintroduced, as they are a good source of food and could be sold for profit in many fish markets. Finally comes the unit question, should it stay or should it go? This is an easy question to answer. We have learned throughout this unit the world needs biodiversity. When many varieties of species are present on the earth, ecosystems flourish, so getting rid of the Baji river dolphin would decrease the earth's balance and biodiversity. Ultimately, people that live along the Yangtze ecosystem relied heavily on these dolphins for environmental balance and human sustainability. With their absence, quality of life for everyone is diminished. Therefore, I believe that the Badgie river dolphin should stay. Thank you for watching.